one of my reverse lights does not work, so I'm gonna show you how to replace it. I want to replace it with LED. Just make sure you get the right fitment code. Let's do this. So you need to open the trunk and I start removing all those clips. Okay. Also there's like screws right there. Also clips like on the side over here as well. You can pull out the light like this. Just grab it from the bottom and pull it out and disconnect it. So there's two screws right here that look like this. You can't really see them, but they're there. They're holding this part right here. You can open it and then also remove this part like this, and then bring it up and you can put it away. It's kind of difficult to pull them out, so I use a screwdriver like this, and then I use pliers to turn it. And there we go. Okay, now all the clips are removed. There's also right under there. So now I'm gonna just pull this. We'll try it like this. Maybe I don't have to remove it all the way. Okay, so I had to remove this. You can just press on it like this, or other way, and then pull it out and pull out the cable. You can also pull this right here, just like this one. Just pull it out and disconnect it. As you can see, my bulb is broken, so you just pull it out from here. Just pull it down and you can pull out the bulb. It's exactly the same size as mine, as you can see. Now you will see the difference between the LED one and the original. I'm gonna show you one more time without lights. Okay, now I installed both lights. Let's see how they work. Okay, so you don't have to pull out like the whole thing. You can just pull this out. It pulls out. Okay, and then you can just insert the bulb and reinsert it, and that's all. Then you can put everything back, and that's all. If this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel.